Hi, welcome to Englishlessons. My name is Chen. In today's video, we have an exciting topic to explore together. Advanced vocabulary for discussing work and job hunting. Well, in this video, we'll dive into some keywords and phrases that will help you better express your thoughts and expressions related to work and job opportunities. Additionally, we'll dive into some keywords and phrases that will help you better express your thoughts and experiences related to work and job opportunities. Let's get started. Vocabulary set number 1. So here we'll learn 8 words and phrases. Word number 1, passion for. This is a noun phrase. Passion for, a strong and intense enthusiasm or love for something. For example, she has a passion for art and spends hours painting every day. Here's another one. She pursued a career in medicine because of her passion for helping others. Here's another one. John's passion for technology has led him to start his own software development company. Number 2, fast-paced. Fast-paced is an adjective. Fast-paced is characterized by a high level of activity, energy, or speed. For example, working in a fast-paced environment requires multitasking and quick decision-making. Here are other examples. The fashion industry is known for its fast-paced nature, with trends constantly changing. Working as a paramedic requires the ability to adapt quickly to the demands of a fast-paced environment. Number 3, career prospects. This is a noun phrase which means the possibilities and opportunities for advancement and success in a particular career field. For example, the company offers excellent career prospects with opportunities for growth and promotion. Here's another example. The field of renewable energy offers promising career prospects due to the increasing demand for sustainable solutions. Here's another one. After completing her MBA, Sarah explored various career prospects in finance and marketing. 4, competitive salary. Now this is a noun phrase which means a salary or wage that is comparable or on par with what other companies offer in the same industry. For example, the job advertisement states that the position offers a competitive salary based on qualifications and experience. Here are other examples. The company aims to attract top talent by offering a competitive salary that exceeds industry standards. Here's another one. Negotiating for a competitive salary is crucial when considering job offers from different companies. 5, benefits package. Now this is again a noun phrase, which means the combination of perks, advantages, and additional benefits offered to employees by an employer. For example, the company provides a comprehensive benefits package including health insurance, retirement plans, and paid time off. Here are other examples. The organization provides a comprehensive benefits package including health insurance, retirement plans, and tuition reimbursement. Here's another one. Employees enjoy a generous benefit package that includes flexible working hours and company-wide wellness programs. 6, subsidized meals. This is an adjective phrase, and this means referring to meals that are partially or fully paid for by the employer, resulting in lower costs for employees. For example, the company cafeteria offers subsidized meals, allowing employees to enjoy nutritious food at a reduced price. Here are other examples. The company's cafeteria offers delicious and healthy subsidized meals, making it convenient and affordable for employees to dine on site. Here's another one. As part of their employee perks, the company provides subsidized meals at local restaurants for staff members. 7, salary expectations. This is a noun phrase which means the amount of salary or income that a person hopes or expects to receive in a job or career. For example, during the job interview, they asked about my salary expectations and what range I had in mind. Here are other examples. During the job interview, the hiring manager asked about Sarah's salary expectations to ensure they aligned with the company's budget. Here's another one. Before applying for the position, she researched industry standards to determine her salary expectations. 8. Hands-on. Hands-on. Hands-on is an adjective, which means involving active participation, practical experience, or direct involvement in a task or activity. For example, the training program provides hands-on experience in the field, allowing participants to apply theoretical knowledge to real-life situations. Here are other examples. The engineering program at the university emphasizes hands-on learning through practical projects and laboratory work. Here's another one. The internship provided him with valuable hands-on experience in marketing and event management. Now let's practice using these vocabulary words in a dialogue. My line is red and your line is yellow. This exercise is great if you want to practice speaking in English. Hey, I heard you're looking for a new job. How's the job hunt going? Oh, that's great. Are you looking for a fast-paced environment? Have you come across any job openings with promising career prospects? What about the salary expectations? Are you aiming for a competitive salary? That's important. Don't forget to consider the benefits package too. It can make a significant difference in the long run. What about perks like subsidized meals? Some companies provide that to their employees. It's also crucial to gain hands-on experience in your desired field. Are you seeking opportunities for practical learning? Good luck with your job hunt. I'm sure you'll find a position that aligns with your passion and offers great career prospects. Now let's move on to the next set of vocabulary words. Shortlisted is a verb which means selected or chosen as a candidate for a job or position after an initial screening process. For example, she was thrilled to learn that she had been shortlisted for the job interview. Here are other examples. The hiring manager shortlisted 3 candidates for the managerial position based on their qualifications and experience. Here's another one. After reviewing the applications, the admissions committee shortlisted a group of students for the scholarship interview. 10. Trial run. Trial run. Trial run is a noun which means a test or rehearsal of something to evaluate its feasibility or effectiveness. For example, before launching the new product, they decided to conduct a trial run to identify any potential issues. Here's another one. The team conducted a trial run of the new software to identify any bugs or glitches before its official release. Here's another one. Before the fashion show, the models had a trial run to practice their walk and ensure the choreography flowed smoothly. 11. Talk us through. Now this is a phrasal verb which means to explain or describe something in detail, providing a step-by-step explanation. For example, during the presentation, the speaker talked us through the process of creating a successful marketing campaign. Here are other examples. Could you please talk us through the steps of assembling the furniture? we are not familiar with the instructions. Here's another one. The trainer talked us through the safety procedures before we started the lab experiment. Fill the post. Fill the post is a verb phrase, which means to hire or find a suitable candidate to occupy a job or position. For example, the company urgently needs to fill the post of a project manager due to increased workload. Here are other examples. The company is actively seeking to fill the post of a graphic designer to enhance their creative team. Here's another one. It took several months to find the right candidate to fill the post of a senior project manager. Notice period. Notice period. Notice period is a noun phrase, which means the period of time an employee or employer must give as advance notice before leaving a job or terminating an employment contract. For example, the contract specifies a notice period of 2 months for either party to terminate the agreement. Here are other examples. According to her employment contract, she needs to provide a 2-week notice period before leaving her current job. Here's another one. The employer offered a 3-month notice period to allow employees to find alternative employment. 14. Now this is a mouthful to pronounce. Hierarchical. Hierarchical. Hierarchical is an adjective, means relating to or characterized by a system of ranking or organizing people or things into a hierarchy. For example, the organization has a hierarchical structure where decision-making authority flows from top management to lower level employees. Here are other examples. In the military, the chain of command follows a hierarchical structure with clear ranks and positions. Here's another one. The company's management style is highly hierarchical, where decisions are made by top-level executives. 15. Pecking order. Pecking order is a noun phrase which means a system or hierarchy of status or authority within a group of organization. For example, in the corporate world, there is often a clear pecking order that determines who holds the most power and influence. Here are other examples. Within the group of friends, there was an unspoken pecking order based on seniority and experience. Here's another one. The team members quickly established a pecking order, with the most skilled members taking on leadership roles. Hot desking. Hot desking. It's a noun, which means the practice of sharing office workstations or desks by employees, often on a rotating basis. For example, the company introduced hot desking to promote flexibility and collaboration among its employees. Here are other examples. In the co-working space, freelancers and entrepreneurs embrace the concept of hot desking to foster collaboration and networking. Here's another one. The company implemented a hot desking policy to optimize office space utilization and encourage cross-team interactions. Job share. Now this is a noun which means an employment arrangement where 2 or more people they share the responsibilities and working hours of a single full-time job. For example, Jane and Sarah decided to job share the position of marketing coordinator to balance their work and personal commitments. Here are other examples. The parents decided to job share the position of a teacher, allowing them to divide their time between work and taking care of their children. Here's another one. The company introduced job sharing options to accommodate employees' desire for a better work-life balance. Now let's practice using these vocabulary words in a dialogue. Hey, I heard you're applying for a new job. How's the job search going? That's great. Have you had any trial runs for interviews? Can you talk us through your experience during the trial run? That sounds impressive. Did any of the companies offer you a job? Do you have any salary expectations or specific benefits you're looking for? That's understandable. How about the notice period in your current job? I've noticed that some companies have a hierarchical structure. Is that something you consider important? Have you heard about the concept of hot desking in some companies? Have you ever considered a job share arrangement? Well, I wish you all the best in finding the right job with the perfect fit. And that is it for today. Thank you so much for learning English with me. If you found this video useful, then hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. That will help me out a lot. And don't forget to connect with me on my other social media accounts. I have my private Facebook group and my Instagram. And as always, thank you so much for learning with me, and I'll see you in the next video.